Ever wondered how important call tracking is in the world of marketing? Well, let's unravel this together. Call tracking, in its simplest form, is a method for recording information about incoming telephone calls. It's not just about counting calls, it's about understanding where those calls are coming from and why. Imagine being able to pinpoint the exact ad, keyword, or even the specific web page that prompted a customer to pick up the phone and call you. That's the power of call tracking. It allows you to understand your customers better, their behavior, their preferences, and their needs. Moreover, it provides a wealth of data about the effectiveness of your marketing campaigns. You can see which strategies are working and which ones need a bit more tweaking. With this insight, you can optimize your marketing efforts, ensuring every dollar is well spent. So in essence, call tracking is an indispensable tool in a marketer's toolkit. To truly grasp the impact of call tracking, consider the following case study. Imagine a company, let's call it Tech Haven, a burgeoning tech startup that provides software solutions. Tech Haven, like many businesses, was investing heavily in various marketing channels, everything from social media campaigns to radio ads. Yet, they struggled to identify which of these channels were truly effective and which were merely draining their budget. Enter call tracking, a game changer for Tech Haven's marketing strategy. By assigning unique phone numbers to each of their marketing channels, Tech Haven was now able to track exactly where their phone leads were coming from. This data provided invaluable insights into which channels were performing well and which were falling short, but it didn't stop there. Call tracking also gave Tech Haven a deeper understanding of their customers' behavior. It allowed them to track call durations, call times, and even repeat calls. These metrics helped them to identify patterns and trends, such as which times of day saw the most calls, or which products were generating the most interest. Armed with this wealth of information, Tech Haven could optimize their marketing efforts. They could reinvest in the channels that were bringing in the most leads and fine-tune their approach based on the patterns they'd recognized in their call data. The result? An impressive increase in their return on investment. Thanks to call tracking, Tech Haven saw a significant boost in their lead conversion rates. They were able to make more informed decisions, spend their marketing budget more wisely, and ultimately drive their business forward. So, what's the takeaway here? Well, call tracking isn't just about counting the number of calls. It's a powerful tool that can provide deep insights into your marketing performance and customer behavior. It's about understanding the journey of your customer, from the moment they first hear about your product to the moment they pick up the phone to call you. This case study clearly demonstrates how call tracking can transform a company's marketing strategy and lead to significant improvements in performance. Now that we've explored the power of call tracking through a case study, what are the key takeaways? Firstly, call tracking provides valuable customer insights. It's like a magnifying glass for your customer interactions, highlighting details such as call duration, caller location, and even the path that led them to call. It's about understanding your customers better to serve them more effectively. Secondly, call tracking helps identify successful marketing channels. By assigning unique phone numbers to different campaigns or platforms, you can pinpoint which ones are driving the most calls and conversions. It's like having a roadmap that points directly to your marketing goldmines. Lastly, call tracking can significantly improve your return on investment. By understanding which marketing efforts are working, you can optimize your budget and focus on what's delivering results. It's about making your marketing dollars work smarter, not harder. In conclusion, integrating call tracking into a comprehensive marketing strategy is not just beneficial, it's essential. With call tracking, marketers have a powerful tool at their disposal to drive better results and make more informed decisions.